Click on the link below to get price. The Fujifilm X-T50 Mirrorless digital camera bundled with the XC15-45mmF3.5-5.6 OIS PZ Lens is a remarkable entry into the world of photography, blending compact design with impressive functionality. From the moment you hold the camera, its build quality is evident. The body, although lightweight, feels robust and well-constructed, perfect for both amateur enthusiasts and seasoned professionals looking for a reliable travel companion. Equipped with a 26.1 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, the X-T50 captures stunning images with vibrant colors and exceptional detail. The camera excels in various lighting conditions, thanks to its impressive ISO range of 160 to 12,800, expandable to 80 to 51,200. This versatility allows for remarkable low-light performance, making it a great option for indoor or evening photography. The autofocus system is another highlight, with 425 phase detection points that ensure swift and accurate focusing. This feature is particularly useful for capturing fast-moving subjects, whether in sports or wildlife photography. The camera's ability to shoot continuously at 8 frames per second in mechanical shutter mode makes it easy to seize fleeting moments. The XC15-45mm lens that comes with the kit is equally impressive, providing a versatile focal length that covers wide-angle to standard views. The optical image stabilization, OIS, ensures steady shots, even in challenging conditions. While the lens is compact, it delivers sharp images with pleasing bokeh, making it suitable for both landscapes and portraits. The X-T50 also boasts a user-friendly interface, with a tilting touchscreen that simplifies navigation and allows for creative angles. The camera offers multiple film simulation modes, a signature feature of Fujifilm, enabling users to recreate classic film looks with modern precision. Overall, the Fujifilm X-T50 mirrorless digital camera with the XC15-45mm lens is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a lightweight, powerful, and versatile camera capable of producing stunning results across various shooting scenarios. It balances performance and